Hello, trading is closed on May 22nd, 2024. As always, we'll do our disclaimer, go over our calls, and make some predictions. It's my plan for tomorrow, which is Thursday, May 23rd. I'm actually not going to be able to do any trading Thursday or Friday, and if you do any trading based on my calls, please do so at your own risk. I can be completely wrong, and I won't be risking my own money because I'm going to be busy all day. David is having a free simulcast tomorrow, Thursday, from 7 until noon. Don't miss it. Well, let's go over our calls. We look for the pattern with the early high, which is this. It's usually a rally day. Failure is a straight line drop, and that is a straight line drop. When that happens, you should get lower prices tomorrow, even if you don't close lower. Now, tomorrow's open can substitute for today's close, so if we open up here, the whole idea is killed. But for right now, that's the straight line drop pattern, and we should trade lower. We had a target, 5306.62. That was satisfied. We stopped right there. This is also the close, within a few pennies. So we stopped right at resistance. We have a new target from today's pattern, 53.21.13. MEJT almost always will leave a failed target at a major change in trend. I've been calling all week for a change in trend here, so that one may not print. We got an ultimate sell signal in the afternoon. We certainly got more than enough to satisfy that, and we have the target here. Well, here's the count I'm using. There's no reason to change it that I see. It doesn't have to be the right count. We can go up here and make me look all wet, but until the idea fails, I've been sticking with it all week. We got the drop today. I don't see any reason to change anything. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high, which doesn't tell us where we open. There's a higher MEJT target. Unless we gap up smartly, the rules say it prints. But the system nearly always leaves a failed target and major changes in trend, so we may not see that number. Now, today's normally bullish pattern failed as we had the straight line drop. It should lead to lower prices tomorrow. It doesn't tell us how we close, though. But if we gap and promptly overtake today's high, that kills the pattern, and futures are up as I'm recording this, so you never know. Today's drop is compatible with my call for a high in this area. Now, any move, even today's move, no matter how apparently significant, needs confirmation. So accordingly, we need to trade under today's close at some point tomorrow to go according to plan. That's my plan. And unless and until we move significantly over recent highs, I'm sticking with the call. This is a short-term top. Now, trying to go against the trend can be kind of a dangerous thing. And again, I'm busy all day the next 2 days. I can't take a short position when I know it's against the trend we've been in, and I won't be around to stop myself out. But if anyone wants to take the call, we really shouldn't go over these highs by very much. So I'm sticking with the call. It's a short-term top in this area. This number, 53.21.13, may not print if it is. And if we get confirmation by continuing down tomorrow, futures are up, so that might not happen. But if we drop tomorrow, I have all these targets I'm expecting to see print at some time, so we're talking about 150 handles on the downside, which doesn't mean it happens in a day. So it's the pattern with the early high. This is the start of what we've been looking for, but it needs follow-through, it needs confirmation. I think we're going to get it even though futures are up, but you never really know, and that's today's call.